Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to add cool songs to your WhatsApp status? It's easier than you think. Let's dive in. The first step is to play your song in the background. Open the music app like Spotify or Apple Music and play the song you want to use. The next step is to open your WhatsApp status. While the song plays, open your WhatsApp and go to the status tab. Next step is to start recording your video. Tap the camera icon to create a new status. As soon as the song plays in the background, hold the record button to capture the audio. You can also add text or emoji. Once recorded, you can customize the status by adding text, stickers, or emoji. You can also preview the video and crop out the unnecessary parts in it. Next, you post the status. Tap the send button and your musical status is live. And there you go guys, a status with your favorite song. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Catch you next time. Bye bye.